Construction Cloud impacts a variety of industries and roles in those industries. Um, so for definitely designers, any kind of designers, architects, structural engineers, the whole MEP engineering firm, anyone who works in those ones where they are designing a building or a plant or a civil site, because all of these are impacted or and work with Construction Cloud. And you want it for no other reason than for your cloud storage and remote access. So if you have multiple people working on a project, having that availability is really, really cool. But then, you get into the collaboration part, and it's a very, very powerful tool. And so even if everyone's in the same company, so even if you have multidiscipline company, uh, those people probably aren't in the same office anymore. And so just having it all in the cloud is just extremely powerful. For contractors and subcontractors and all the people that need to be involved in a construction uh, project, the build options are very powerful. And once again, you're not losing your content. So your designers, if they're working in it, they're giving you those latest models. And so if you do design build, for example, the process of the design and the build needs to be seamless. And so having these together makes that very, very powerful. So you've got typical things that you need to do, like RFIs and submittals, and these are all in the cloud, and you aren't putting anything on paper and to get lost or to be take hours to transport to someone or days even. Everything's right there. You sign or you post an RFI, the person who needs to know about it gets it right then. I mean, very, very powerful. And I think ultimately owners will want this, and this facilities managers, because the underlying data is there. And if you're using this as your repository and all of your change orders and stuff are in here, and you've got someone who's managing the BIM model, which is typical now on a construction project, you'll have a BIM manager who your model is going to be accurate when it's finished. So do you want that model just to sit there and nobody use it? No, it'd be perfect for facilities managers to then be able to have, you know, tight access to their data and accurate access to that data, instead of having to go dig through plans that, might be water damaged. The voice of experience, like trying to find out what did they build there. No, it's going to be right there, accessible. So I would say everybody that it's aiming at, the whole construction life cycle group, it's going to be helpful.